This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your Garmin vívomove Sport. To begin, you'll need to access the control menu on your device. Simply hold down the touchscreen for a few seconds until the menu appears. Once it does, look for the power icon among the various options presented. This is your first step towards powering down your smartwatch efficiently and correctly. It's a straightforward process that ensures your device is properly shut off when not in use. Once you've located the power icon, a simple tap will initiate the shutdown sequence. Your vívomove Sport will then display a confirmation prompt, asking if you truly wish to power off the device. To proceed, select the power off option. This crucial step prevents accidental shutdowns and ensures you have full control over your device's power state. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly for everyone. In some rare cases, if your vívomove Sport becomes unresponsive, you might need to perform a force restart. To do this, simply hold down the touchscreen for about 15 seconds. Continue holding until the screen goes completely blank and you feel a slight vibration. This action will effectively restart your device, resolving most minor software glitches. It's a handy troubleshooting tip to keep in mind for any unexpected issues. When you're ready to use your Garmin vívomove Sport again, powering it back on is just as simple. Just press and hold the touchscreen for a few seconds. Keep holding until you see the familiar Garmin logo appear on the display. The device will then proceed through its startup sequence, and within moments, it will be fully operational and ready to track your activities. It's a quick and easy way to get back to your fitness goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.